Today I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is incredibly useful when you need to reduce file size while maintaining control over image quality and compression settings. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access all the features. After you're signed in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where you'll find your recently accessed documents. From this list, select the PDF file that you want to compress. Click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now, with your file open, look over to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll find a variety of tools available in Adobe Acrobat. Navigate to All Tools, which gives you access to the full range of features the software offers. Once you're in this section, click on View More to expand the complete toolkit. This reveals additional options that aren't immediately visible. Among these tools, look for the option labeled Compress a PDF and click on it. This is the core feature we'll be using to reduce your file size. However, for more precise control over how the compression happens, we'll use Advanced Settings. In the left panel, click on Advanced Optimization. This opens up a detailed menu where you can fine-tune exactly how images and other elements in your PDF are handled during compression. First, navigate to Image Settings. Here you'll see a drop-down menu beside Downsample. Click this drop-down and select Off. This ensures that your color images maintain their original resolution without being downsampled. Next, navigate to the compression option directly below it, click the drop-down menu beside compression and select Retain Existing. This preserves the current compression format of your images rather than applying new compression. Now we'll do the same for grayscale images. Navigate to the Grayscale Images section and click the drop-down menu beside Downsample. Select Off to prevent any reduction in resolution. Then move to the compression option for grayscale images, click its drop-down menu, and select Retain Existing once again. Finally, we need to configure the monochrome images settings. Navigate to Monochrome Images and click the drop-down menu beside Downsample. Select Off to maintain the original quality. Then navigate to the compression drop-down menu beside it and select Retain Existing to preserve the current compression method. Once you've configured all these settings, click OK to apply them. The system will now process your PDF according to these specifications. You may need to wait a moment while Adobe Acrobat prepares the compressed file. After processing completes, you'll be prompted to select the folder where you want to save your compressed PDF, choose your preferred location, and if you'd like to give your file a different name, rename it at this stage. Once you're satisfied with the folder location and file name, click Save. Your compressed PDF will now be saved to your chosen location with all the optimization settings you've configured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.